In front of me is KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, go to keypad, and let me start with the first code, the shortest one also, and it is *##, 06#. And as you can see here, you can check the email number, unique numbers assigned to your device. Smoothly enter this code, and then you'll be provided with all the necessary information. So tap on OK to go back. Now it's time to use the second code, and it is *##, 4636 ###. And here you've got the testing mode. You can check phone information here, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So under phone info, you will find email number, phone number, if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. You can also perform a ping test here. To do it, just click on Run Ping Test, and here it is. So as you can see, you've got some further information right here. You can scroll it down and check all you need. Then you can go to user statistics, where you will find detailed information about your applications. So as you can see, under usage time, you have usage time, and right here you've got last time used. So just pick the app that you would like to check, for example, call blocking, and here you've got the details. So actually there's nothing to check, but for example, camera. So you've got usage time and last time used. And then you've got also Wi-Fi information, where you can locate Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you've got disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and the whole connection info. Under Wi-Fi configuration, you will be able to check currently configured networks, and in Wi-Fi status, just refresh it. You can smoothly check the current status of your network. You can also run a ping test right here. Just click on Run Ping Test, and here it is. So that would be all for this code. Let's go back. And another code that you can use is *##, 426 ###. And now you've got the Google Play services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events. So just check all of those info and smoothly be aware of the necessary details. So let me go back, and the last code that we would like to use today is *##, *##, 225 *##. And as you can see, this is the calendar info. So if you have your Google account connected with this KIANO, if you have some events added, then you will be able to find all of them here. So from now on, you will not forget about any upcoming celebration, any anniversary, as all events will be included here. Smoothly enter this code and then be provided with it. And that would be all for today. These are all secret codes that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.